to the Broadleaf Forest. We're hosting this live show in the Broadleaf Forest. It is located in North and South America, Asia, Europe, and even parts of Australia. So it is not located not only in your backyards in Ohio. The place is amazing. The climate of the Broadleaf Forest consists of 4 seasons: spring, summer, winter, and fall. The trees lose their leaves because of a drought induced of the cold weather.
Oh.
So the leaves have fallen from the sky, as you can see, and the forest is getting prepared for winter. During this time period, 20 to 60 inches of precipitation falls from the sky, especially during the fall and the spring. The trees in this forest are considered beastly trees, for the simple fact they have to survive a very dramatic different climates during the different parts of the year. Because when you get into the summer, you have droughts, periods of high rainfall. When you get into the fall, we have the cold weather, muddy, really nasty weather. Then you get winter where you can have extreme colds of almost below 0. As usual in Ohio, we get everything. You can have ice storms, hail, rain, droughts, periods of high rain, low rainfall. You even see Eskimos walking around at some periods of the time. Broadleaf Forest, we have all types of animals and all shapes and kinds and fluffiness and claws and all whatnot. So you got your herbivores, your carnivores, and your omnivores. In your herbivore class, you have your nut eaters, which are your chipmunks and your squirrels. You got your bigger animals, like all the way from rabbits to deer size, and your elk. In your omnivore class, you have opossums, skunks, and raccoons. Bears used to be pretty prevalent throughout this great landscape, but have now been reduced to small scattered populations, but they are starting to make a comeback. Smokey, we love you. In your carnivore class, you have foxes, you have timber wolves, and also your various cats such as cougars and bobcats. Now the Broadleaf Forest is consisted of a lot of trees. You have your upper canopy, your lower canopy, and then your undergrowth. Your undergrowth is consisted of like ferns, shrubs, small trees, and a lot of briars, like a lot. Then you get into your understory, and then you have like ironwood, dogwood, buckeyes, and your smaller tree species. Now in your upper level, that's where you get into the large trees. These species can include burrow! If you just look at it, seriously, it's a burrow. Like I've never seen such a perfect sugar maple. It's a shagbark hickory. So look at the shagginess of it. It's like the 60s all over again. But you just look at it, it's a beech. Would you just look at it, it's a dead ash. This is a hackberry. There are many trending research topics being conducted in the Broadleaf Forest today. One project that caught our eye was conducted by Cornell University. They conducted a research project where they analyzed the effects of deer and earthworm populations on the Broadleaf Forest. They found that they have a negative effect due to tearing up the shoots and saplings and depressing their growth. There are many threats to the Broadleaf Forest, and earthworms and deer are just 2 of them. There are many threats to the Broadleaf Forest, such as agriculture, urban development, acid rain, and global warming. Now everybody knows about acid rain and global warming, but the 2 big main threats today are agriculture and urban development. Agriculture and its impacts, such as clear-cutting land for agriculture developments, have been going on for centuries. But think about it. You're taking up land that once was forest, or could be a forest, and using it to build your home. Now what can be done about this? Furthermore, we can revamp our cities so the population remains in the cities and does not move out to the forest. Also, there's many other conservation efforts going on, such as preserving our forests. Also, one of the oldest forms and the most traditional forests is replanting. Everybody knows it's easy. Grab a shovel and plant a tree. Like an Arnold Schwarzenegger's voice. So now, in your herbivore category, you have the typical mast eaters.
What?
Mast eaters.
What are mast eaters?
Whatever we got written down on the script. Oh, nut eaters.
Can you not read?
I made it to the 8th grade, thank you very much. I can read. Not like the other kids that dropped out in the 6th grade. I'm a trooper.